So if you're not prepared to be stupid, insane, crazy, if you're not prepared to be all of that, then you're not prepared to be real successful. Well, at least anyway, you can be all of that according to everybody else, right? You don't have to actually be that, but that's what people are going to call you. And I just want to prepare you, all right? So let's talk about it.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
Fuck what they say. Straight like that. Just fuck what they say. Because people will call you crazy, insane. They'll try to say you stupid, all type of stuff. But at the end of the day, just fuck what they say. Like, at the end of the day, you gotta live your life. Can't nobody else experience your life but you. So therefore, the decisions that you make have to be in your best interest. You can't be out here trying to people please. You can't please everybody, so don't attempt to. Just do what you gotta do for the best outcome in your situation. That's really the only thing that matters. Because the truth of the matter is, if you weren't being called insane, then you're probably mediocre anyway. You don't want to be like everybody else. If you like everybody else, then you're not insane. You're normal. You're what everybody thinks is okay and what is right. So if you're doing what everybody thinks is right and okay, then you're probably on the wrong path. But if everybody's calling you crazy and stupid and all of that, then you probably go in the right direction. I heard somebody say one time, I think it was Earl Nightingale, he said, 9 times out of 10, if you just do the opposite of what everybody else is doing, then you'll be successful. Because think about it, how the word outstanding, just listen to the word outstanding. That means you're standing out. How do you be outstanding if you don't stand out? So how do you stand out by still trying to fit in and be like everybody else? That's why I told you in a couple videos before, you either be cool or be successful. Because you can't sit here keep trying to be cool and doing what everybody else is doing and sit here and try to be successful too. At some point, you're going to have to make a decision. Now, the good thing about choosing success over choosing being cool is, at the end, you get the last laugh anyway. You still one of the cool kids, because success always trumps everything. It always does, no matter what. No matter what you believe, who you like or who you don't like, at the end of the day, success trumps everything. And I can tell you this from the beginning. As a child, I ain't like Jordan. I was a Jordan hater, and I liked Scottie Pippen. And then over time, I learned to respect him, because you can't do nothing but respect greatness. I did the same thing with Kobe. I did the same thing with LeBron. I'm just now starting to be a LeBron fan, because after a while, you can't deny greatness. And just for the record, by the way, that wasn't hating I was doing. It was just I'm a fan of the underdog. So I always root for the underdog in all situations, which explains why I'm a Wizards fan. But anyway, back to the subject at hand. Bottom line is, forget what they say. Be crazy, be outstanding, be insane, be everything that they want to call you, because at the end of the day, you got to do what you got to do to realize your dreams. So I'm going to leave y'all with that this morning. I ain't going to talk your head off. I want you to have a great day, a productive day on this beautiful Tuesday.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it. Let's go.